In this video, we're going to learn about defining routes and mapping them to components. Let's dive in. Routes are uniform resource locator, or URL, patterns that determine which component should be rendered when a user navigates to a specific path. Think of them as road signs that guide users to different parts of your application. Here's a look at a basic route structure. First, import the router from the Express library. Then, create a router instance by calling the router function. Next, define a route using router.get specifying the path such as /users and the corresponding function to handle requests to that route like get_users. Finally, export the router to make it available for use in other parts of your application. This setup allows you to modularize your route definitions. Let's explore different route path patterns. The simplest is a static route like /users, which matches that exact path. You can also use dynamic parameters such as /users:_id, where ID is a variable part of the URL. Nested routes like /users:_id/posts allow you to define relationships between resources. Lastly, wildcard routes, /files/*, can match any path after /files, useful for serving files or handling catch-all scenarios. Mapping routes to components involves associating specific URLs with the functions that handle them. For example, to handle the /users route, you can map it to the userController.getAll function. Similarly, /users:_id can be mapped to userController.getById. HTTP post requests to /users can be directed to userController.create, and HTTP put requests to /users:_id can be handled by userController.update. This structure organizes your application's logic and makes it easy to maintain. Route parameters allow you to capture dynamic values from the URL. Here's how to access them. In the get_user_by_id function, you can access the user ID using request.params.id. This ID can then be used to find the user in the database, such as calling the user.find_by_id function. Finally, the user data is returned as a JSON response. Organizing your routes effectively is crucial for maintainability. A common practice is to create a routes directory with separate files for different resources, such as users.js, products.js, and orders.js, along with an index.js file to consolidate and export all routes. This modular structure promotes easy maintenance, clear separation of concerns, and reusable components. Let's recap the key takeaways. Routes map URL patterns to specific components. Use parameters to capture dynamic values from the URL. Organize routes in separate modules for clarity. And remember, a clean route structure improves maintainability. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.